Model, 2013 Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4H2 X Long Wheelbase, HDi 130 6-speed camper small electrical issue. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 82,465. Engine, 2,198 cc 4H HDi. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. AQ does not communicate. Ideally wants an AQ kit. Previous customer fitted a different AQ but never got it coded. This is straightforward if you know how. Engine, clutch and gearbox on this are perfect. Simple repair for somebody who knows what they're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, sat-nav, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074